To change the voice of Google Gemini, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end in our part. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the voice of Google Gemini. Now, if you are bored of hearing the same voice of Google Gemini and you want to change it, then make sure that you have already installed the Google Gemini app from Play Store or App Store. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from there. So after that, you just need to open the Google Gemini app, and this is the app of Google Gemini, where you'll see the option of three straight lines at the very top left and your profile icon at the very top right. So tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of upgrade to Google AI Plus, Google Gemini activity, and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of settings, and under settings you'll see the option of your public links, Gemini voice, interrupt live response, and all of it. So click on the option of Gemini's voice. Here you'll be able to select the voice which you want, so you may simply swipe like this and listen to the voice which you think is good for you, and you may simply click on the option of select. So that's it. That's how you can change the voice of Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.